The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
Hello and welcome to Tiski TV. My name is Nkululeko Ngeo. I'm with Ubobo and Khawukhelo Sibata. Thank you very much for joining us. Bekuyimpela veki okanye ibiyimpela veki ncumisayo kubalandeli beMamelodi Sundowns baphumelele kumdlalo wabo bebudlala neEsperance de Tunis iqala la ngapha eTunisia elalibhexeshwa ngumqeqeshi Miguel Cardoso. Miguel Cardoso ke watsalela amanene wakhe wahhuqela ku finishing line esondela ke kulento yoba ezawukongeza inkwenkwezi yesibini esifubeni seMamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns ibetha Esperance de Tunis bengena ke kumdlalo wamagqibela kaNqoyi kwindebe yokhuphiswano lamaqela ase-Africa CAF Champions League. Bobzit, well done. Congratulations once again. It was an interesting weekend for you. We'll talk about that and we'll also talk about the double, winning the Betway Premiership and the CAF Champions League. How are you feeling this morning?
I'm good, Mr. Nkeo. Yeah, itungibulise Nkululeko. Yeah, yonke into ihamba kahle, Mr. Nkeo.
Did you pick that up, Khawukhelo? She just called you my name. He just called you my name. Mawuthi itungibulise Nkululeko. Khawukhelo.
Oh, Khawukhelo. Oh, ngibize igama lakho.
Yeah, when you were
that
talking.
is why ngithi yonke into ihamba kahle. Yazi sometimes na Mr. Nkeo, excitement inokuthi ikubhayizise. Ungamangala uma ngibiza uKhawukhelo.
Unayo ingoma uDr Malinga ethi asilalanga izolo. So nani ke anilalanga izolo.
Mr. Nkeo.
It was a big weekend, but at least you didn't cross the finishing line. So celebrate nazi ukuthi you only just reached the final.
Yeah. Ungathi wabheka Mr. Nkeo kumele celebrate because I think it's one kuma South African team reached ama finals 4 times now.
Yeah.
Uma ungabheka 2021, 2020
It's
2016.
25. It's 2016.
2025, yes.
Oh yeah, it's 2001. About John
2000,
Tlale.
yeah, 2001,
Yeah. 2016,
and then
25 and 26.
Yeah, uyabona.
Last year and this year.
Into ekumele celebrate because Sundowns mangathi yabheka i-team Mr. Nkeo evamisile ukubreaka lawo ma record mawungabheka. So but kumele ukuthi celebrate ube ne limit because you are still going to play final.
Yeah.
I think I celebration enkulu isekutheni kumele win final at the end of the day. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns family they are happy ukuthi bafike kuma finals. So kusho kona ukuthi at least one leg it's in for kuma finals Mr. Nkeo. Unema chances yokuthi uwina but kumele usebenze kanzima. Akukho lula to win final. Lo msebenzi osebenze from le kuma preliminary round.
Sure.
Uzofika manje akumelanga ukuthi umani nje ishabalale yonke lento.
100%.
You must dig. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi the technical team ye Sundowns is ready for ukukwenza lokho and the players ba ready ukuthi they want to win CAF Champions League.
Yeah, Bobzit, yazi indaba ye Champions League is an interesting journey.
Yeah.
Kulula for thina ukuthi sikhulume ngebhola, siyenze yonke into belula.
Yeah.
I remember I was in this debate. It was myself, Lindo Pep, Uhlali no George Mukwena.
Yeah.
They had something called the Three-Man Press.
Yeah.
In a podcast there, and they invited me there. And I remember being kuluma passionately about, because it was after Urulani Bamshayile, aphuma lapha, and I was speaking passionately about the fact that uma ngabe uzithola semi-final, ne-final, or ube number 2 ku-league, I made this point that you are exactly where you need to be.
Yeah.
If you are number 2 in the league, you are exactly where you need to be. If Bakshaya final, you are where you need to be because Scala Sonke Singama club are 50, I'm a club are 60, different competitions, and you push yourself to get to final, which you to succeed 2 clubs.
Yeah.
If you lose there, agushuguti wena be uthandaza lokuthi loser, but you are in the right place because you give yourself a winning chance. You will never win a tournament ungafiki final or qala.
Yeah.
And number 2, ayakhula lamajita ayifunda tournament. They are traveling. And they're learning the competition. Same thing with Orlando Pirates, same thing with Arsenal. Ngababiza bonke lama club avame finish number 2 ukuthi even Arsenal they become a joke, but these players they get to experience ukhumbule ukuthi league 10 months. From August to May, you play 38 matches. These players who've never done that sekuyangena manje ku system yabo ukuthi yenziwa kanje lento. We're number 2, it hurts, then you get to an opportunity to right that wrong next year. Sundowns by Shayile go final. I'm sure about Ikram Reinas, they didn't sleep well that night.
Yeah.
Tebogo Mokoena, they didn't sleep well that night. Goalkeeper Ronan Williams, all of them.
Yeah.
They didn't like it. And also some of them, they were coming from a semi-final, African Cup of Nations.
Yes.
So that was another disappointment. Now, when you go back to another final, there's no guarantee you're going to win. But Gushuguti, what you did last year, you learned and it hurt you. I mean, I speak as a Chelsea fan. Umlandeli with Chelsea since 9.
Yeah.
Besinokushaya kuma-final 2008 shaya Manchester United in Moscow, UEFA Champions League.
Yeah.
And then sayawina in the ugliest way in 2012. And we won it with the same players. Ebebeloko beshaya kuma-semi-final, final.
Abo Titi drop.
Yes, Abo Drogba, exactly. And they scored the goal in the final in 2012. Abo Drogba, Abo Thierry, Abo Lampard.
Yeah.
We won it with those same players because they knew how it felt to lose. So ukuluza sometimes can be a lesson. That L is a lesson. So congratulations to Sundowns. And just on that point, Bob Zetukuta, abadlali bafundile last season. Akusho ukuthi it's guaranteed they're going to win, but they learned last season when they lost in the final.
I think example we beke lento yacaca. Bheke example ngeOrlando Pirates. Ibuya kulama game iloku position 2.
Yeah.
iSundowns inokuthatha ileague mhlambe kusele buma 4 games.
Yeah.
But bheka this season lento angeke yenzeke because Orlando Pirates they've learned nabo ukuthi konje kumele silungise 1 2 3 ukuse sikwazi. So yabona ukuthi uma ngabe uhlala isikhathi eside ulokwenza into e1 I think kuningi ozokufunda uma uloku busy isikhathi sihamba Mr Nkewu. So ngicabanga ukuthi ukhuluma iqiniso liphelele Mr Nkewu badlali beMamelodi Sundowns ngabheka kune crew ekade ikhona just add ngabadlali abafana nabondamane abo Cupido bona abo Saleng ukuthi bafike but uma bathola kuna that winning mentality kuna that fighting spirit ku CAF Champions League kuba lula for bona ukuthi bangabuya bajele yonke into yenzeke. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi ama chances akhona kakhulu Mr Nkewu ukuthi Sundowns ingazibona ilifta le CAF Champions League. Ngi-understand ukuthi abafani nathi sihlezi ngaphandle siyibona lento ilula njengoba usho. Bona they will go extra mile. They will celebrate after final whistle laba lifta khona trophy. But credit kumajita, credit ku technical team, the management, I think the supporters, everyone Mr Nkewu khona because ichain ayikwazi ukuba strong if kuba nama loop anama cracks Mr Nkewu. But if nonke nibambene into e1 ngicabanga into right. So bheka support the way balandeli beze ngakhona Mr Nkewu bathengile ama tickets akusilento ukuthi bazothi iza ugcoka ijezi eyellow uzongena now bakhipha imali zabo Mr Nkewu ba travel onke ama province and akusibo bonke kuphela even nabalandeli bamanye ama team they came stadium to support ibhola la South Africa. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi sibanikeze mani credit nabalandeli beMamelodi Sundowns the way bazimisela ngakhona coming to the stadium to support amajita. Ngiyacabanga lama results I deserve noma ngabe ngibani ukuthi anikezwe icredit Mr Nkewu.
100%. Yeah. And I was credit to Sundowns as well for this, that when I saw the Tunisians airport traveling to South Africa, I was like, ish, this is a failure from our government because the chaos that these guys created last year, we should be blocking them from ama visa ukuthi travel.
Yeah.
But credit to Sundowns that they allocated a space for bona ukuthi nizohlala le phezulu nihlale nodwa so that the fight that you created last year ingaqhubeki yenzeka. Because me, when I saw them midweek last week, I'm like, ish, now we're going to have the same problem. If they lose, there's going to be chaos. People almost died last year. Yeah. So why are they allowing them to even fly to the country? But Sundowns had a plan to say, we're going to just put them somewhere there, make sure they never move from that space. Yeah. And congratulations to them as well.
Mr Nkewu, before ngizala emsebenzini ngicale e-stadium kuqala. You know, the way ngibone ngakhona ngiyabonga man. Ngithi i-management ubheke ne-security the way bey-tight ngakhona. Siyabonga kakhulu bekune security Mr Nkewu bekungasinto okudlala because they understand ukuthi le game kanjani. But after lokho ubonile bakwazile ukuthi ba behave abalandeli beEsperance because of ngendlela bekune order ngakhona. So i-security idlala indima enkulu kakhulu Mr Nkewu. Ama coordinator weMamelodi Sundowns wama supporter the likes of abo Mambushu and abo Cedro bebakhona Mr Nkewu la majita bebaloko aqala ukucula Mr Nkewu kuleya complex yalapha Loftus begcwele Mr Nkewu bebavale nje bebanendawo yabo but they went there by controller leso simo and at the end of the day igame iphele kahle Mr Nkewu akuzange kube nalento mhlambe ukuthi kuzoxatshana estadium in so but we must give credit singafuni ukuba blame the day isecurity ingazange be tight bese sithi why bangakulungisanga but for now ngiyacabanga ukuthi bayi deserve Mr Nkewu credit siyabonga kakhulu for into efana nale Mr Nkewu.
Yeah, two big additions. We'll talk about Miguel Cardoso.
Yeah.
I want to also mention because I spoke about Uchemen, the young chairman Utlhope Motsepe that as a man, in life you have to achieve something. You don't want to be seen as someone ukuthi wena udlimale kababakho, what have you done? He was thrust into a situation where he has to be a chairman because his father became the CAF president and he could no longer be the chairperson of Mamelodi Sundowns. And here he is now, Utlhope Motsepe, with 2 finals under his belt. Last year he led the team to the final. He's the one who announced Coach Miguel Cardoso as well. Let's talk about him and also maybe even Ugba Guidable, because we can see that there's been some shuffles with Abu Surprise Moriri that either it was his decision or he took advice from somewhere to say, bring this guy here because it's going to help the club as well.
Mr. Nkewu, the leadership of Chairman Utlhope uma ungabheka ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuningi Mr. Nkewu akufundile ku president eMamelodi Sundowns. So uyabona ukuthi yonke into ibalula. Ngikhulume ngokuba patient last mastenze game eSundowns. Uma ungabheka lento iyenzeka na ku president weSundowns la khona mhlambe besicabanga ukuthi angahla change mhlambe arishafule le technical team, but wenza lento because of he understand, he knows ukuthi okay lento engiyenza la ngiyenza because of 1 2 3. So naye uchairman weSundowns uma ungabheka wenza izinto ngendlela acabanga ukuthi ekugcineni iSundowns izo benefita. Uma ungabheka the way abe patient ngakhona isimo besingekho right Mr. Nkewu. Uyazi ukuthi bekuba khona nalomsindo bakhona for Coach Cardoso, technical team, but the way ahandle lesa simo ngakhona I give credit Mr. Nkewu kuye because of akusibangaka abanye bakhona ukuthi bathathe enye i-direction kanti uthola ukuthi ekugcineni ayisahambi ngalendlela boplana ngakhona, but ngiyamnikeza credit Mr. Nkewu yena nabalingani bakhe asebenza nabo ngiyacabanga ukuthi benza into right kakhulu.
I would love to hear more from him in terms of my interviews. You know, sometimes I love learning from leaders, so because I consider myself as a leader as well. I would love to hear more from him from interviews because I want to hear from him what was the decision from the horse's mouth. He might not be, of course, you play the game, you're media, sometimes you don't reveal everything behind the scenes. But I want to hear from him, what exactly did you guys do after Flemingberg was attacked? Because there was a change there. They did not announce it, but there was a change. We could see physically or visibly, Uguti surprise Moriri. Flemingberg is maybe taking the back seat. What did you do? What was the meeting? What was the change there? Let's focus now on Coach Miguel Cardoso before we move on. For him, I think we've congratulated him, of course. And you were talking about time and patience that he needed. The thing that I wanted to ask you in the video that we did on the weekend, and I kind of asked you, was that I think even if he loses, I don't want us to happen losing because no team goes to the final to want to lose. But I think because he's gone to 3 Champions League finals, it will be difficult for you to dismiss someone on a formula you go finally Champions League, even if he loses. And then for him personally, I think he will definitely want to win the same round.
Yeah, Mr. Nkewu akuselula ukuthi ungaluza coach ofana naloya. I understand ukuthi yonke into kuba nama upside down. But let me tell you something. Ukumluza coach Miguel Cardoso, i-team efana ne-Al Ahly ngimiyeke.
Oh yes.
Ngikutshela iqiniso Mr. Nkewu. It's not easy ukuthi bangamiyeka because they understand ukuthi lo muntu lo umuntu o understand the CAF Champions League.
Yeah.
Because akuselula from Europe ubuya from Europe uzofika udlala ama finals of CAF Champions League 3 in a row. It's not easy. Kusho kona ukuthi uma ungathola ithuba or a chance eyanele Mr. Nkewu ungadominate. I think ukuyiwina kanye kwakhe kulula for ukuyidefend Miguel Cardoso i-CAF Champions League because ngendlela Mr. Nkewu ngimbona enza ngakhona, you know, uma ungabheka iSundowns the way idlale ngakhona CAF Champions League kunala Mr. Nkewu bocabanga ukuthi uMiguel Cardoso angaphuma kumele ayodlala igame because mhlambe style of play eMamelodi Sundowns kumele ukuthi adlale kanje, but to understand ukuthi kule game ngifuna ama results hambe bheka the way badlale ngakhona ne Stade Maniema kuleya 2-0.
Yeah, the second leg
bekune pressure, but they managed these guys ukuthi babuye qualified semi-final because of layer 3-2.
Yeah, those guys were coming in the second leg.
We understand the mistake. So ngicabanga ukuthi coach right ngicabanga ukuthi even if angayiluza i-final Mr. Nkewu ungasamnikeza i-second chance yokuthi aqhubeke nale team egcineni uzoyithola i-CAF Champions League. I'm not saying uyiluzile already, say ngikhulumela i-football le. If uyayiluza, I think coach ungamnikeza.
Yeah, it will be tough to get rid of him. I mean, I'm thinking of myself if I was the president in that instance. Already, I don't care whether he wins or loses. I cannot get rid of someone because in the whoever you're going to bring in is not going to have that formula of going to the final. if he shows me for 2 years ukuthi uya final for the first time 2 years in a row, and it's been 3 years in a row with the previous club, then you stick with him whatever happens in the final.
Yeah, ngicabanga ukuthi Mr Nkewu sivumelana ngento eyi-1 nami ngicabanga ukuthi injalo Mr Nkewu akuselula ukuthi ungamiyeka ucoach ofana naloye. So mina nje ngayo coach Cardoso ngiyacabanga ne-technical team yakhe because ekugcineni akusuye enza lo msebenzi ayedwana Mr Nkewu, kunabantu asebenzisana nabo for ukuthi bafike la bakhona kunomsebenzi omkhulu abawenzile. So but yena njenge-leader ngiyacabanga ukuthi kumele sibanikeze i-credit Mr Nkewu la kumele ukuthi sibanikeze khona i-technical team.
All right, nice one. Thank you very much, Bob Zet. We'll continue with the conversation in a moment. Please make sure you're subscribed. Do you agree that whatever happens, Coach Miguel Cardoso will stay at Mamelodi Sundowns because it's the first time that they've gone to the final 2 years in a row? The first final was in 2001, and then it took them another 15 years in 2016 to go to another final, and then it took another 10 years to go to a final in 2025, and then in 2026, 2 years in a row. Do you agree or disagree with that, or do you always want to just win the Champions League and next year you can try it with someone else? Is he just a lucky coach? Whatever it is that you feel. But I suppose for his employers, for his bosses, they will look at it and think, there's only one guy who's been in the Champions League 3 times in a row in the last 3 years, and that's him. The only thing really that he just needs to do is to make sure that he wins one. And as Ubobo was saying as well, that if they fire him, for whatever reason, maybe he loses, Al Ahly will take him with open arms because those are teams that always aspire to win the Champions League. And in fact, Al Ahly doesn't care about how you play as long as you bring us the medal. Now then, we move on, but still on Sundowns' theme. Sundowns are number 1, or Orlando Pirates are number 1 rather, in the league with 2 points. Mamelodi Sundowns, 2 games in hand. They'll play, and Itis TV will be back on Wednesday against Stellenbosch. Now, Bobzit, I'm going to ask him about the potential of a double of the Betway Premiership and the CAF Champions League. And does it make up for the fact that Ben Kala ngokuthi aniwina nge-MTN 8, aniwina nge-Carling, anikho kwi-Nedbank? Does that make up if you win the double? Bobzit, let's get into it then. Okokuqala kuzomele nihloniphe iStellenbosch and win those 2 games in hand. If you win them, that means you are 4 points ahead.
Yeah.
If you win 1 and draw 1, you might be just 1 point ahead. We'll see how it goes. But does it make up? Do you believe you're going to win the double? And if you do, does it mean you are happier now that you lost the MTN 8, Carling, Nedbank?
Yes, Mr Nkewu, ithi ngibonge le question onginikeza yona manje. Kunokuthi ungibuze lo mbuzo wangibuza wona early. Isizini isaqala ukuthi ngingasacrifice
Oh yeah, which one would you sacrifice? We are exactly at this point now. Can you sacrifice the Cubs for a Champions League now? So ama Cubs awuzange uvume kuqala, but you could see ukuthi we can take the Champions League and the league without these Cubs. And at that time, remember, Pirates won the double, MTN 8 ne Carling. So we are now 6 months later from that point. So football is interesting.
Yeah.
You are exactly where you were reluctant, but you can win the Champions League, which looks like you will, and the league, which looks like you will.
Yeah, it's up to Mamelodi Sundowns, Mr Nkewu, ukuthi ilifta both i-league ne Champions League. I don't think ukuthi if i-Sundowns izimisela ukuwina lokho, kuyomele i-rely somewhere. Kumele kube yona isho ithi sifuna ukuwina 2 games CAF Champions League, silifte leya trophy. Sifuna ukuwina ama games out 6 rather ku Betway siphakamise leya trophy. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi ama chances akhona Mr Nkewu. Uma ungabheka ama chances akhona, but kumele kube nomsebenzi omkhulu njengoba ngisho ukuthi they must work very hard ukuze bathole both i-league ne CAF Champions League. So uma ungabheka ngapha ku league, mina njengoba usho ukuthi kumele si respect lama team ezidlala nawo. If i-Sundowns ingakwazi ukuwina lama game lawa ala ekuqaleni, angeke kube nzima for bona ukuthi noma bangayidlala last game. But ngikhuluma kanje because I know ukuthi last game mangithi ngibhekisha i-feature i-changeile Mr Nkewu, i-Sundowns yodlala ne TS Galaxy eMbombela.
Okay, was it not Polokwane? You still have to play Polokwane twice at some point.
29 and 30.
So you'll play them twice at some point.
Twice, 29 Polokwane, next 3 Eloftas, Polokwane City.
You should expect 6 points there, although Peter Mukabe Ndala might give you challenges.
Exactly, Mr Nkewu. So ngicabanga ukuthi kusezandleni zayo Mamelodi Sundowns ukuthi wine because of ngibhekela ama game asele ku Betway. Izodlala ama game, I think yodlala 4 Loftus and ayisangakaluze Loftus igcine nini ukuluza ku league games
Yeah, even the Champions League,
yeah, understand
you
the
don't
Champions
lose there.
League so kusho ukuthi i-advantage kuMamelodi Sundowns I'm not saying ngeke baluze but it's an advantage for them ukuthi uma ngabe awu4 bayayigaranta le 12 points yase Loftus then ukuphumela ngaphandle kulama games awu3 bana 9 points kumele bazi ukuthi bosebenza kanjani kulama game awu3 because kumele baye eMhlathuze kumele iye eMbombela njengoba ngisho and the last game away
There's also Peter Mokaba Stadium, the old Peter Mokaba
you
Stadium.
understand so kusezandleni zeMamelodi Sundowns mina ngiyacabanga mesithinke ukuthi 90% for iMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi ngawa lift up both lama
Yeah, it looks achievable. You have 2 matches in the Champions League. Respect the opponent, AS FAR, but your responsibility is to beat them.
Yeah.
You didn't get to the final to lose the final. So you have a responsibility to beat them. And again, if you look in the Betway Premiership, Stellenbosch will be challenging. Chiefs, on a good day, they could give you a draw. The rest of the other teams are teams that 70% of the time you should beat. So it says under the Sundowns. That's why for me, when Pirates drew against Richards Bay, I said to myself, well, look, I think Pirates might drop again, and I don't think Sundowns are going to lose. Out of 6, they might lose 1 or 2, or 1 and draw 1, but they're going to win majority of those matches. I see you with a double, unless you fumble it.
That's true Mr. Nkewu and uma ungabheka le sacrifice abayenzile kulama trophy akhona la ku PSL ngiyacabanga ukuthi bezokudisturba let's take iSundowns beyiqualifyela kuyodlala ifinal yeNedbank
Yeah.
ngabe manje kwenzakalani because khumbula ukuthi kunabadlali kumele ukuthi uadjust kubo bekumele ngabe manje ama game ayapostpone for ukudisturba lama preparation we CAF Champions League so ngiyacabanga ukuthi sometimes kumele ukuthi usacrifice kwamanye ama trophy because sidlala ama trophy sidlala ama trophy amaningi la
Yeah.
eMzansi Mr Nkewu isikhathi asikho isikhathi sincane and then World Cup ngoJune yaqala so ngicabanga ukuthi benze ama decision right I'm not saying ukuthi i-team iphuma understand some of the supporters we want to win everything
Yeah.
teamini but uma ngabe bona abahlezi phansi i-technical team yabheka ukuthi no la sizoba nenkinga kumele ukuthi sacrifice 1 2 3
Yeah, every year, uma ngabe uyakhumbula Bobs, just on that point,
Yeah.
every year nokuba nenkinga if nisakhona kwi-Nedbank.
Yeah.
Because every year ngoMay, we already know you're going to be in the semi-finals of Champions League. You've been that consistent. Then kwi-league sesazi ukuthi if no one is chasing you, you've already won it, or if someone is chasing you, you are in the title race, and then you have a Nedbank Cup. Because I remember I think either last season ran the tax on a Friday night.
Yeah.
Ama-tax anlathela kuma-penalty.
Yeah.
And then next week, 3 days later, you have to play Champions League as well. And then kumele in the league foot. So maybe it's a blessing in disguise. I'm sure, as you say, for Sundowns fans, they didn't like it. I mean, I had this feeling, Manshai, TS Galaxy, that day, that squad that day,
Yeah.
I knew that you didn't want to win the Nedbank Cup.
Yeah,
That squad, that starting lineup, if you remember, just got defensive midfield, in Shai TS Galaxy 2-0. I knew you didn't want to win that championship.
Yeah, I think ubheke the way benza ama changes wakhe ngakhona Mr Nkewu. We are not saying la machita lapha they don't deserve to play iSundowns bawine or kanjani but sibheke ku football kunalento ehambisana ne game time. Abadlali mabangekho ku game time it's easy for bona ukuthi bangahlala bangaclick. So ngicabanga ukuthi uma letha le line up beyangasho ukuthi guys nina mhlawumbe anisibadlali engicabanga nizongwinela igame but ngendlela mhlawumbe letha labadlali rotate ngakhona I think bekunabadlali abaningi abangana game time a change ngawo kule line up abuya kuyo before so ukutshela something ukuthi no yena kahlahle ngale squad asirestile uprepare for something you understand so ngiyacabanga ukuthi ya ibe njalo Mr Nkewu for I technical team eSundowns ukuthi no kukhona la kumele ukuthi babeke phansi khona uma ngabe kuyakhonakala ukuthi bawine bangasizwa kabi uma ngabe khona ukuthi wine bekuzoba ne team but engeke ibe strong but ama arrangement or ama preparation I mean while ama game afana nalawo beyazoba disturb because we are mdinga uKhadosu
you were going to have to leave one team in South Africa ne-travel, and that was going to create another problem as well. Inkulumo zabantu ukuthi why is the other team, you were going to have to either ask Coach Steve Komphela to coach one team here in South Africa whilst you are traveling.
Even and those players Mr Nkewu, you have to travel with them laba bangadlali ukhumbule ukuthi should anything happen abo Cupido bebaloko ba travel nawo la kulamalo ukuthi bajwayele mhlawumbe le environment abayidlalela kuyo so kuba lula for bona uma ngabe mhlawumbe nawe uthola ama injuries uma ubaletha sebajwayele nokuthi la siyodlala endaweni eso kudingakala nalama traveling akakhathala umuntu uma athola ithuba lokudlala ukuthi athi mhlawumbe ngifly plus or minus 12 hours ku flight, you understand? So izinto ezifana nalezi ilezi zinto ngicabanga ukuthi technical team ihlala phansi isibheke Mr Nkewu.
Masiva Lebobs, we'll come back on Wednesday for Stellenbosch Mamelodi Sundowns. Now the interesting thing is that the Soweto Derby is playing this weekend on Sunday. it's possible that if Chiefs get points from Pirates, whether it's 1 point or 3 points, ichayile for Pirates.
Mr. Nkeo, ngiyasho manje kumele sizame ukutwista kancane sithi iDerby unpredictable. iDerby this nowadays
Oh yeah, it's been predictable recently.
because uma ungabheka banama season awu2 bathatha ama 12 point Kaizer Chiefs manje kule season bana 3 point already but ukhumbule ukuthi football inama surprises
Yeah.
so kungenzeka iChiefs mhlawumbe isurprise iOrlando Pirates but uma ungathi uyayibheka iPirates ina advantage for mina ukuthi ngayiwina le game because ngibheke the last 5 games we league ba collecte wonke ama points.
But the Chiefs now, ngapha, although of course not brilliant matches,
Yeah.
but it was 5 wins plus a draw this past weekend. So the difference from the last time they met, with Pirates Chiefs, was kwaba 4 losses in a row around that time, and then the Chiefs since then they've won 5 matches but draw this past weekend.
Yeah.
So yabona ukuthi umdlandla wabo nabo they're feeling better about themselves. But bengikhuluma namachaka manje, I think the better wabo means they can maybe try and drag a draw from that game, not ukuthi bangawina.
iChiefs idlaleka Mr. Nkeo uma ngabe uyithola on form or ibiya kuyowina ama games iyadlaleka but wayithola iChiefs kungile Chiefs engawini lokhu idropa ma point ya draw ya loser ya win inokuba dangerous but now because of bane confident kule 5 games ababuya kuyo nale draw so ngendlela ngisho ngakhona ngithi ngibona ngathi iOrlando Pirates ngayiwina le game the way ngibona ngakhona because ngibheke nade ngendlela iChiefs ichama ngakhona but iDerby it's a derby siyayisho kanjalo but aba collecte kaningi ama point Mr. Nkeo seyigcina ikunike something ukuthi kusho ukuthi iPirates iyayidominate le Soweto derby kwamanje I understand. Yeah,
All right, nice one. Thank you very much, Bobzit. We will be back on Wednesday, Stellenbosch against Mamelodi Sundowns at 7:30. And then this weekend, of course, as we mentioned, it will be on the same day, Sunday, 3 p.m. Soweto Derby, and then at 5:30, Richards Bay, Mamelodi Sundowns. That will be it for us. We'll give you the predictions, of course, on Friday. So it's Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Thank you very much for watching us.
thank you.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.